Excuse me, do you work here?
Yes, I do. How can I help you today?
I am looking for a new pair of shoes.
What kind of shoes are you looking for?
I need some comfortable shoes for walking.
Are you looking for sneakers or casual shoes?
I think sneakers would be the best choice.
The running and walking sneakers are on this wall.
Wow, there are so many different styles and colors.
Do you have a specific color in mind?
I usually wear black or dark blue sneakers.
We have many options in dark colors.
I like this black pair with the white stripes.
Those are very popular and very lightweight.
Can I try them on, please?
Of course. What size do you wear?
I am not sure. My feet feel a little bigger lately.
Would you like me to measure your feet?
Yes, please. That would be very helpful.
Please take off your right shoe and step on this device.
Okay, my heel is touching the back.
Make sure you put your full weight on that foot.
I am standing up straight now.
According to this, you are a size 9.
A size 9? I usually wear an 8.5.
Sometimes different brands fit differently.
That makes sense. Let's try the size 9.
I will go to the back room and get them for you.
Thank you. I will sit on this bench and wait.
A minute later, here are the black sneakers in size 9.
Wow, they look even better up close.
Let me take the paper out of the shoes for you.
Thank you. I will loosen the laces before I put them on.
Take your time. Use this shoehorn if you need it.
The right shoe slides on very easily.
How does the length feel on your toes?
Let me stand up and press on the top.
You should have a little space at the end of your toes.
My big toe is touching the front of the shoe.
That means they're a little bit too short.
Yes, they feel quite tight at the front.
Let's try a size 9.5 instead.
I think that is a very good idea.
I will be right back with the larger size.
I will take these off while I wait.
Returning, here is the 9.5.
Thank you. Let's see if these are better.
Remember to tie the laces securely.
Okay, the laces are tied. I am standing up.
How is the space for your toes now?
Much better. I have enough room to wiggle my toes.
That is exactly how they should feel.
But now the heel feels a little bit loose.
Does your heel slip out when you walk?
Let me walk around the store a little bit.
Walk on the hard floor and the carpet.
Walking, yes, my heel is slipping up and down.
We can fix that by tying the laces differently.
Really? How do you do that?
Let me show you a special way to loop the laces.
I am sitting back down on the bench.
Watch how I pull the laces through the top hole.
Oh, that makes the shoe hug the ankle tighter.
Try walking in them now.
Wow, that made a huge difference.
The heel is not slipping anymore?
No, it feels completely secure and comfortable.
I'm glad we solved that problem.
I really like these sneakers. How much are they?
These sneakers are $65.
That is a very fair price for good walking shoes.
They also come with a 1-year warranty.
Oh, that is excellent. I will take them.
Great. Are you looking for anything else?
Actually, I also need some dress shoes for work.
The formal leather shoes are in the next aisle.
Let's go take a look at the leather shoes.
We have brown leather and black leather options.
I need a pair of brown leather shoes.
Do you prefer slip-on shoes or shoes with laces?
I prefer slip-on shoes. They are much faster to put on.
We call those loafers. Here are our brown loafers.
These look very professional and shiny.
Yes, they are made from genuine Italian leather.
What size should I try for these shoes?
Leather shoes often stretch, so let's try a size 9.
Okay, I will sit down and try the size 9.
I have the box right here.
Thank you. They look a little bit narrow.
Do you have wide feet?
Yes, my feet are quite wide at the front.
You might need the wide fit version of this shoe.
Let me try the regular ones first.
Use the shoehorn because the leather is stiff.
I am pushing my foot in now.
How does the width feel?
You were right. They are too tight on the sides.
It is painful to wear tight leather shoes all day.
Yes, they squeeze my feet too much.
I will bring the wide version in size 9.
Thank you. I appreciate your help.
Returning, here is the wide fit loafers.
The leather feels a little bit softer on these.
They have more room across the top of the foot.
I am standing up to test them.
Do they pinch the sides of your feet?
No, the width is absolutely perfect now.
And how does the length feel?
The length is great. They fit like a glove.
They look very sharp with your trousers.
Thank you. I think I will buy these too.
Excellent choices today. 2 great pairs of shoes.
How much are the brown leather loafers?
The leather loafers are $85.
Okay, so 65 plus 85.
That brings your total to $150.
Do you sell any shoe polish for the leather shoes?
Yes, we sell brown shoe polish and brushes.
I should buy some polish to keep them shiny.
The polish is $5.
I will add it to your order. Do you sell socks as well?
We have athletic socks and dress socks by the register.
I will grab a pack of black dress socks.
The 3-pack of dress socks is $10.
Perfect. I think I have everything I need now.
Let me carry the boxes to the cash register for you.
Thank you. I will follow you.
Would you like to wear your new sneakers out of the store?
No, I will keep my old shoes on for now.
I will put the sneakers back in their box.
Can you put both shoe boxes in a large bag?
Yes, I have a large paper shopping bag for you.
I am ready to pay.
Your grand total with the polish and socks is $165.
I will pay with my credit card.
Please insert your card into the terminal.
Done. The screen says approved.
Would you like your receipt printed or emailed?
Please print the receipt and put it in the bag.
Here is your receipt inside the bag.
What is your return policy, just in case?
You have 30 days to return unworn shoes.
Do I need to keep the original boxes?
Yes, please bring the shoes back in their boxes with the receipt.
I will make sure not to throw away the boxes.
You made some very good choices today.
Thank you for your expert advice and patience.
It is my job to make sure your feet are happy.
Well, my feet are definitely going to be happy.
Enjoy your walking and your work.
Have a wonderful day.
Thank you. Come back and see us again soon.
I will. Goodbye.